Well, we got burned by another Chinese kit. Not really surprised. Seems to be common these days. The Chinese just do not want to put out quality stuff. They're going to knock out whatever they can and do what they can. So, this was the last one available on eBay. Actually had to put it in the lathe and machine it down. Old Quad Sport, if you saw the short, we had a rat's nest up underneath the gas tank. Rats ate all the wires, so had to go through and rewire everything. After we got it rewired, though, oh, I was super happy. These things were chewed on bad, but we found spark, and we got to get the first test ride on the old 230 Quad Sport. This is an 88 230E. Got the electric start and pull start, no kick start. But hey, she runs good, drives good. Gonna have a lot of fun with this one. Definitely going to be making a bunch of content with it. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Comments are always appreciated. Let me know what you guys think of these things. Really helps out the videos. We're trying to get thousands of people. We can't even make it to 100 people most of the time. So watch these videos as long as you can. They're not very long. Help out the channel. Really appreciate it. Go through the rest of the channel. We've got over 1,000 videos on here. The DS90 finally got the motor back in it. This was the cylinder that we were cutting down on the lathe. You saw the earlier videos. Timing chain was super tight. The aftermarket Chinese cylinder was 4mm taller than the OEM one. We got the CRF 250 dirt bike. Got to cut some valve seats because those valves beat the living snot out of those seats so bad that it would not seal with lapping. This is the Chinese cylinder. I was really kind of hesitant on doing this, but when you don't have a whole lot of a choice, all of this was because the dealership sold me a wrong spark plug. I didn't double check the spark plug. I put the spark plug in the hole. It bent the valves. It smoked the piston. It did all kinds of stupid stuff. So always, I don't care if you go to a dealership or not, double check the parts you get before you install them. Always had good luck with the dealerships. It's very rare that anybody ever screws up on me. So I was not expecting it. And yep, it's been a fight since then. I told the owner, we don't do minis. I hate minis. Don't like playing with minis. He kept on me. It's a neighbor of mine. Kept telling him, no, I don't want to touch it. No, I don't want to touch it. He wouldn't let up. So yep, here we are. Months later, he's complaining that he doesn't have a quad. Well, if he had listened in the first place and brought it somewhere else, things might have gone better. But seeing as how I've got zero experience working on DS90s or mini quads, I'm running blind, don't know what I'm looking at. All I know is it's a 4-stroke, so it builds typically like a 4-stroke. But the little quirks and stuff I'm not familiar with. I'm getting old, can't see, hard to see little stuff. I'm so used to playing with bigger bikes that, no, I don't want to play with this stuff. I don't want to do it. Utilities? No. Side-by-sides? No. Minis? No. Not gonna do it no more. I'm too old for this shit. Not playing this game no more. Hit that comment button. Tell me what you guys think. Likes, shares, all that fun stuff. I'll see you in the next one. Appreciate you clipping on the clip and listening to me rant for a little bit. Y'all have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.